see him. It's a little one. Oh, it's a tiny little guy.
Where?
He's just curled up over in the corner there.
Yeah, but he was moving around when I opened it.
Okay. I don't know what type he is, though. So I'm a little bit worried about that.
Where is he?
He's right underneath this little thing right here. I'm going to poke him with something just so that I can see what type he is.
Not the knife.
I'm going to see if he bites. Oh, he's just a little dude.
Ew.
He's probably scared.
Oh, what if he's poisonous?
Well.
Oh, God.
Don't run away. He won't get you. I've got a hold of him. I don't know what kind this is, but he may have gone through a cycle. He's got a little,
clean.
Yeah, a little thing on his head.
On his neck.
Yeah, I'm gonna just throw him outside. He's probably scared to death, poor little thing. All right, be free.